these all were bent over, and I don't know if it was from turkeys crawling through the garden because they get out every single day, or if it was from that wind and rainstorm or what. But once they bend over, they won't grow anymore. So we're gonna cure them in the garage on this handy dandy drying rack that my husband built for me because he loves me so much. And I don't remember where I saw it, but I know I've seen a video on YouTube about somebody making onion top pesto, and I'm gonna look back through my videos and see if I can find it, and I'm gonna give it a shot.
Not gonna happen.
It's gonna happen. Greg Kulik in the house. The greenhouse.
What?
Greg Kulik's in the house, the greenhouse. Were all of them leaking? You just couldn't tell which one. Looks beautiful. You want me to hold it?
I'm about to find out.
Oh, my husband found this spider and it's huge. Don't do that. Please don't do that.
And it jumps.
Giant zucchini. Too big for us, and we have too many. So it becomes free food for the turkeys. Look at Kylie, they ate almost all those cabbage leaves you gave them. Who wants this? Who wants it?
I can look at this. Hey, that boy likes it. Oh, they're all aiming for it.